Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This video is about 7 needs to become a successful dancer. If you have the desire to become a dancer and or you are already a dancer, this video will be highly useful. From this video, you will come to know the important needs to become a successful dancer. At the end, we have also given a friendly suggestion which you please keep in mind, especially if you are a female. So please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping, as verbally also we have provided some tips and tricks. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. This is need number 1, that is basic qualities required for any person who wants to make a successful career in dance. First quality you should have is physical fitness, which means ability of your body systems to work together efficiently to allow you to be healthy and perform activities of your dance practice. Your lifestyle, food habits and physical activities play an important role in keeping you healthy and physically fit. Secondly, you should have a strong feeling, love and or emotion for dance and music, which can be of any type. If possible, choose that form of dance which suits your passion for music. Lastly, you should have the talent of facial expressions to convey various types of meaning in various contexts while you are dancing. You might have seen dancers tell stories by using different facial expressions. Instead of using words, dancers use their bodies, eye contact and movement to express themselves. Since a dancer usually strives to convey a story through movements, smiling and using facial expressions help your audience connect with you. Your body should therefore be flexible enough if you want to become a successful dancer. So you should have these basic qualities if you want to make a strong career in dance field. Need number 2 is to decide which form of dance you want to go for. Before deciding the best suitable for you, research about all types of dance, basic requirements for respective dance forms, their present, past and future, its scope for you, extent of training or practice required, best mentors, instructors, gurus or institutes available, where, how and when. The above research will enable you to decide time you can allot, your ambition, your short-term, long-term goals, which form of dance you are comfortable with, whether you want to go for any classical dance like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Manipuri, Satriya or Mohiniyattam or any other form of non-classical dance. Vast number of options are available for non-classical dance. You can choose the best one suitable for you, keeping in view the factors which I have explained now. Third important need is getting thorough knowledge about the option, that is which dance form you have chosen. Once you have chosen the option finally, and before joining any institute or instructor, you should have deep knowledge about the same by further researching about it in the internet. Thorough knowledge about the option you have chosen will further boost your confidence. Fourth most important need is choosing right instructor for you. How to select the right dance instructor for you, how to finalize the best one. Here are the steps and tips. First, search online to find dance instructors in your area, available in your area. List out the instructors for your preferred form of dance. Read the reviews and ratings given by ex-students and also whether the students have participated in any competition and events of any particular instructor by visiting their websites, blogs, or YouTube channels. Research also about the schedules, timings, duration, and frequency of classes conducted by them and the fees charged by them. Finally, it's the best 4 to 6 alternative instructors suitable for you. Take trial classes with the chosen 4 to 6 alternative instructors. Assess the mood and energy the instructor brings while conducting the classes. Then finally, it's the best instructor suitable for you. You should take much time to finalize best instructor for you and don't be in a hurry while taking this decision. Just joining dance classes is not enough. To make yourself active while getting training from your dance instructor and to get maximum output while attending dance practice sessions, you have to be both mentally and physically fit. To keep yourself physically and mentally fit, you should regularly and consistently engage in physical and mental activities like doing yoga, meditation, or practicing martial arts or gymnastics or any other physical pursuits convenient to you at your home. Please keep this another important need in mind to be successful in your dance career. Next need is to regularly practice at your home what you are learning from your instructors on daily basis with 100% dedication. Try to practice standing in front of a long mirror. While practicing, analyze are you satisfied with your performance or not. If not, notice where you feel you are wrong. If possible, record a video when you are practicing and show to your instructor. Your instructor is the right person to give you feedback about your performance and how to further improve it. Keep practicing again and again the most difficult steps for you to improve. Even jumping and sitting exercises for 10 minutes daily will further make your body flexible and improve your performance. Last important need is to keep participating in small and big events and/or competitions. To make yourself unique among other competitors, you have to practice rigorously well in advance of the competition day or event. You have to use right choreography, have to choose best costumes, and above all, your facial expression and body languages are the most important when you are on stage. This is just a friendly suggestion for you especially if you are a female. There is always the risk of injury, and in some cases those injuries can end a career. Even without significant injury, dancing can take a tremendous toll on the body. Dancers may have to shift their focus and change career goals as they get older, especially females. So I suggest you to please don't depend only on dance field as your career option. Hope you have watched this video fully and follow the tips and tricks provided here to become a successful dancer. All the best.